What's up, YouTube? This is my Revere Telechron motorized mantle clock. It's a Westminster chime. It's an electric clock. It is absolutely gorgeous. In excellent condition. So beautiful. I'm gonna give you a walk around real quick. It's in what I would call excellent condition.
Excellent.
There's, just a couple minor nicks, one right there, and put some Murphy's oil soap on this and shine it up real good, and
yep, you should.
You'd hardly notice them. Just small, tiny nicks here and there. But it is absolutely breathtakingly gorgeous. I'm going to turn it around so you can see the back of it when I open it up. It's got the Revere tag on the back down there. And it's got this cool little cottage door that opens up. And there's the insides of it. You can't, I wish I could turn my flash on, but it's all geared motors inside there and electric transformer right there. And it's got the Revere clock instructions here with the last service tag up here. I believe this clock was made in 1931. I am going to adjust the time. And I know at the top of every hour it'll like do the Westminster chime thing and then do the bong to each hour. The first time you do it though, I think it's just only going to do the Westminster chime. And the low one, the low bong needs to be adjusted. But from what I understand, it's self-adjusting, so.
No, that one more time. If you die 2 more times, then it's my turn.
I don't know, it's just a gorgeous clock though.
No. Okay, 3 more times. 1. Let it go. 2.
And it's 7:57.
3. No. 4.
And I think I'm gonna stop the video and I'm gonna go put this over on my coffee table, my end table in my living room, and just let it run for a couple days. But it's just gorgeous. It's got the sun beam down in the bottom. They don't make clocks like that anymore. Kind of a unique looking mantelpiece clock.
I'll help you.
Peace out, YouTube. Later.